Yeah guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be talking about three potential systems out in the Atlantic, but 92 hours that got downgraded now. 93L is a 40% chance now. 99 this disturbance here is still disorganized. But as soon as it moves towards the Caribbean and the Les Antilles, then it should start to form. But for this disturbance, there's a 30% chance for this one. To be honest, it's looking better organised than it did today. To be honest, disturbance number two. Disturbance number two is way more lopsided than that one, but they're giving it a 40% chance of formation in the next 5 days because of the models. I will show you the models in a bit. I don't know what they are saying, but for the East Pack, we have now got Tropical Depression 11E, which should become a brief hurricane on the verge. And the next name is Kevin in the Pacific Ocean right now. This is as of Central Daylight Time. So, yeah. It's tropical depression now, so moving at 9 miles an hour. It could, I'm not saying it would, but it could be 80, maybe 85 miles an hour. We don't know yet, but no, it's just your average tropical depression. 5-day tropical graphical outlook, then you got another disturbance here. But now you got one in the Central Pacific, as I was talking about last week, yesterday. And now, actually, if we have a look at the 5-day tropical graphical outlook, you see Hawaii here. This is Hawaii here. These islands here. And this is the disturbance right here. So it could form anywhere in here. It could form. It's meant to travel through the West Pack. And if this does fall before it gets into the West Pack, well, the Western Pacific, as I call it, the Eastern Central, the Central Pack, the East Pack, and the West Pack. So you have got this train of activity right here. So Eastern Pacific, you already know you got that depression. In the Atlantic, yeah, you got them, but if you go onto tropical tidbits, right, let's look at the JTWC first. Right. They are still highlighting 91L for tropical storm development. Don't know why though, because the waters up here are cooling down. And Miriam is making landfall. Miriam's making landfall, so yeah. Lupit didn't look really good today, but it's actually disorganized now. I don't know why they've marked Invest 91W to be a high % chance. It's not gonna even become a cyclone. This gets a depression status later on, subtropical depression status, then I don't know what's wrong with the JTWC. They're marking systems that don't have tropical characteristics. which is a bit stupid because they marked Myriad, which I thought it wasn't a tropical storm to start off with, but then obviously I agreed with Force 13. When Force 13 went with it, I went with it the 2 days afterwards. Of Miriam forming, Lupid, Nidot's still being sheared to death. Miriam, this is Miriam or Marion, whatever you want to call it. 40, 45, no, 40, 40. It is meant to affect Tokyo. So, it is Saturday today, so Lupid luckily won't affect Japan. Well, it won't affect Japan, but it won't affect Tokyo, which is good. Then this is by today. Then that's by tomorrow. That's by also tomorrow. That's by Monday. This is by Tuesday. So, yeah. There's a final warning. Yeah, 45 miles an hour is going to be weakening now. To be honest, I think I don't think it is a tropical characteristic anymore. To be honest, I don't know why they didn't give it some tropical storm characteristics. To be honest. Because this does not look tropical whatsoever. And I'm saying that right now. Cyclone formation chance, don't care. Because it won't form anyway. This is Loop Pit. And Loop Pit's track has actually changed. Right now. 40 knots, 45 knots, 45 knots, 45 knots, 45 knots, 40 knots, 45 and 45. So, yeah, it will be able to form. To be honest, they have actually kept it as a storm all the way along the making landfall, and then they made it going through Taipei, and now it's going to be affecting Okinawa, Agamima. Was actually already affecting Okinawa now, to be honest, because the JTWC hasn't updated yet. So, anyway, looking at the tropical tidbits, right? Forecast models. Right. There's one of the systems. There's 92L. And actually, by tomorrow, Sunday, August 8th, that this one's going to be forming. Nothing forms out these ones. No. The system actually becomes a 986 millibar storm, 995, 994. Oh, this could be big. 998. 987. Oh, the gosh dang. This could be major. 972. 967. 971. 950. 950 is category 3 status. And we got a hurricane making landfall in so we've got like 1, 2, 3 systems out there right now. So got a tropical depression, we got a tropical storm, a hurricane, a major hurricane actually, and a category 1 or category 2 hurricane. So yeah, the tropics are actually getting more active, more favourable in the Eastern Pacific no, in the west, no, in the Atlantic now. So yeah, you know, what could possibly go wrong for the Atlantic, eh? Um, so right, I will show you HWRF 92L. Invest 92L. Right, this is what it looks like right now. Invest 92L north of the Cabo Verde Islands. Not gonna form. Doesn't really want to look like it's gonna be forming, to be honest. Actually, where does it form? Ooh, becomes a 1,000. But by August the 12th, apparently it becomes a. Only by August 12th, it becomes a subtropical storm. So that's by Thursday. That's by Friday. That's Friday. So I don't think that will be true, because if I look at August 12th. See, look, this model doesn't say it, but the only model that's hinted for subtropical development is the GFS. And as you can see, you could see 92 over there. And this is where the peak season comes, 3 systems at the same time. We didn't see this since June. June had 3 systems. So if we have another 3 now, we could get Fred, Henry, and Grace. So yeah. Anyway, that's just a quick video. I wanted to show you the tropics. So you guys have to prepare, because if you see, look, it forms. See that forms here, weakens and reforms here, and this is where it really rapidly intensifies here, and might affect the Bahamas as a tropical storm. It will be making landfall over, Dominica, and if this track does play out, then, it could be a really massive storm. See here, as you get here, it becomes a massive storm. 950 millibars. 957 millibars. That's a category 3. A category 3 hurricane. So I think this one in the Gulf will really have time to really rapidly intensify, but yeah. Anyway, guys, that's I'm gonna show you the satellite imagery of Invest 92 of Invest 92L, and 92L does not look as good as it did yesterday, to be honest. So yesterday, when it came off the coast of Africa, it looked so good, but now, it's lopsided, messy, not gonna form, it's moving into colder waters. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends on social media. And stay safe from hurricanes, tropical storms, and cyclones. Peace, and have a great day.